For the welfare of the MCAs should be given unconditionally, because the MCAs have met the president themselves and they agreed on the issues that they want to be checked. Na hii vile tumeona ni njama ya mbali ya kukuja kuandamine deputy president, and we as the MCAs and leaders hapa mashinani, hiyo hatutakubali.
Agenda tulitua jana si agenda ambayo tumeikuta leo kwa meza, kwa sababu huyu speaker kwanza wa Embu na ni rafiki yangu ametuzungusha hivi akatuzungusha, lakini end result anataka tuelekee pale tu mahali ya kuendorse Kindiki. Sisi kama watu wa Kirinyaga hiyo tumekataa. Hakuna mtu tuendorse sasa hivi.
Actually, we had requested the CS Interior to join us here because you know the Ministry of Interior, they are the coordinators of development in this country. But because he got help up in other activities, we met together with as MCAs and our speakers, and we have come up with a raft of recommendations, most of which are about the development of our people.
Even if it means going through Professor Kindiki, so that the welfare of the MCAs of this country can be sorted, so be it.
We have designated Professor Kindiki, the CS for Interior, to channel all our issues going forward. At the national level, we are going to use Professor Kindiki as our point man for any political and national development matters.